Let's explore the different types of artificial intelligence. In this video, we'll focus on understanding narrow artificial intelligence and its applications. This is an introduction to the fascinating world of AI. Narrow artificial intelligence, also known as weak artificial intelligence or specialized artificial intelligence, refers to artificial intelligence systems that are designed and trained for a specific task or a narrow range of tasks. Narrow AI excels at specific tasks within defined boundaries, but cannot transfer its learning to other domains. Currently, it represents most of the artificial intelligence applications in use today, from virtual assistants to recommendation systems. This specialization makes it incredibly efficient within its scope. Let's discuss the key characteristics of narrow artificial intelligence. Firstly, it is task-specific, meaning it is designed and optimized for a single specific task or a narrow domain of tasks. Secondly, in terms of performance, it often outperforms humans in its specialized domain but lacks versatility. Thirdly, it has limited scope. It cannot adapt or transfer learning to tasks outside its trained domain. Lastly, it is data-driven, meaning it relies on specific datasets and predefined parameters for operation. These characteristics define the capabilities and constraints of narrow artificial intelligence. Here are some examples of narrow AI applications. The first one is computer vision. It specializes in analyzing and understanding visual data from digital images or videos, which can be used for object detection. Another example is natural language processing. It processes and analyzes human language data for specific tasks like translation or sentiment analysis, and uses language models. The third example is recommendation systems. It analyzes user preferences and behavior to provide personalized content suggestions, utilizing content filtering techniques. These examples demonstrate the practical applications of narrow artificial intelligence in various fields. Let's examine the capabilities and limitations of narrow artificial intelligence. Some capabilities include excellent performance in specific, well-defined tasks, high accuracy and consistency in their domain, rapid processing of large amounts of domain-specific data, continuous improvement through targeted training, and integration with existing systems and workflows. However, there are also limitations, such as it cannot transfer learning between different domains, lacks true understanding or consciousness, has no ability to adapt to unexpected situations, requires extensive training for each specific task, and is dependent on the quality and quantity of training data. It's important to understand both aspects to effectively utilize narrow artificial intelligence. Here is the development process of narrow artificial intelligence. It starts with problem definition, then moves to data collection, followed by model selection. After model selection, the model is tested, which is then followed by deployment. After deployment, there is a maintenance phase. Each of these stages are critical for creating an effective narrow artificial intelligence system. Firstly, the problem needs to be defined. Secondly, data needs to be collected. Thirdly, the model is to be selected. Fourthly, the model undergoes testing and validation. After evaluation, the model is finally deployed and maintained. Here's a sample code for training a narrow AI model. This example demonstrates training a simple image classification model using TensorFlow and Keras. The code defines the model architecture with convolutional and dense layers, and then compiles the model with an optimizer, loss function, and metrics. This is just a snippet, but it showcases the basic structure of training a narrow artificial intelligence model for a specific task. Let's discuss the future of narrow artificial intelligence. In terms of industry evolution, we can expect increased integration across industries, enhanced efficiency and automation, more sophisticated decision support systems, and better human-artificial intelligence collaboration frameworks. Regarding technical advances, we can anticipate improved training efficiency, better performance with less data, enhanced model interpretability, and reduced computational requirements. Narrow artificial intelligence is poised to become even more powerful and integrated into our daily lives. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.